Purchase process. B. Luis Felipe Restrepo Vázquez, docent Oscar López, English 3, Universidad Manuela Beltrán. Purchase order. List of products. Purchase process. There are works and suppliers. To improve the purchase in our company, the purchases are going to be centralized by means of an alone department, which will help to diminish the waste. Quality. The purchase will be planned and there are going to be in mean to suppliers that expose us with how many materials have, how much lasts every product and give us all the specification of quality and price. This in order to be able to choose among the best suppliers. On the other hand, as far as possible, the purchases are going to be done locally, analyzing how much it is possible to reduce in costs, but having in account the quality. To improve every day, good realities will be constructed by the suppliers for which we must be spared with the payments of the materials. In future, we will analyze the cost of maintenance and we are going to buy only the necessary thing. More efficient methods of purchase will be adopted to achieve an opportune delivery to the buyers. Definitely, it turns out really important to negotiate costs with the suppliers to analyze what and how many aspects it is necessary to improve. If they are born in mean age of this advice in a lifetime will observe an advance in the process of purchase in the company. After a few months, we will be able to analyze how much we have diminished in cost and have increased how much in productivity. Finally, the analysis is going to be realized every 6 months. Thanks.